Hi, are you someone who lives with arthritis in your wrists and hands but is interested in doing aquatic exercise? These dumbbells might have been a barrier for you. My name's Krista Fairbrother and I'm an aqua yoga coach and trainer who lives with multiple kinds of arthritis, including rheumatoid arthritis. March is Autoimmune Disease Awareness Month, so I am trying to help raise awareness about the benefits of aquatic exercise for arthritis and some workaround tips. So if I try and use this dumbbell through the water, it might aggravate my hand and wrist because of the size of the handle, or perhaps the surface area is really fixed. I don't have a lot of choices there. Instead, if I try a pool noodle, which is readily available and at the dollar store, I can turn it into a knot, which is the hardest part of this little process. But the nice thing about using this instead is now I have a diversity of handholds. So I have a lot bigger circumference there that I can hang on to, or I don't even have to wrap my hand around it. I can grab this pretzel shape when I ask my hand to move through the water. I can also vary the effort by the amount of surface area. So I can turn that pretzel, it's going to be less surface area. I can make it the other way where I have a lot more surface area and it's going to challenge me. So whichever is better for me and my joints. If you want more information and more of these tips about managing your arthritis with aquatic exercise, reach out to me at kristafairbrother.com, and I have the internet's only aqua yoga for arthritis course so that you can learn aqua yoga in your own pool at your own time. Thank you so much and have a great day.